How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram? Let's begin. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, click on the messenger icon at the top right to open your inbox. Then open any chat where you want to send disappearing photos and videos. Likewise, click on the camera icon at the bottom left to open the camera. After that, capture a photo or a video, or tap on the photos icon at the bottom left to choose from your gallery. If you want, you can also select multiple photos or videos. Now hit next to proceed. Here click on the allow replay option at the bottom right. After the view once option appears, hit the send button to share the photo or a video. Finally, the photo or a video will disappear after being seen, and there you go. I hope this video helped.